How to change username in Pinterest. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Pinterest application on your device. After that, you need to log into your account. Once you are in the home page of Pinterest, you will be able to see your recommended pictures and videos over here. So in order to change your username, you need to go to your account settings. For that, you need to tap on the shift or the profile option in the right bottom corner, and after that you have to go for three dotted horizontal line in the right upper corner and go for settings. Here you need to go for public profile option. Right after going for that, you'll be able to see the various settings or the options of your profile. In the third row, there's a username option. In order to change your username, you have to simply tap on the username. From over here, you can erase your username and choose the username that you want to set. After choosing, simply go for done option in the right upper corner, and by doing that, your username will be changed. So this is how you change username in Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.